Good afternoon, nice and distant people. One at a time when this coronavirus start out, I say St. Thomas and Anova as the two parish in Jamaica where never have no coronavirus. But anyway, the thing about it, St. Thomas is that them say the undevelopment parish. The only thing me say come to St. Thomas, happened to St. Thomas in the last 40 years is the Yellasford. Big up whosoever government build like the Yellasford. Thanks to that. Because I don't see nothing else happen to St. Thomas from that. Anyway, the point what I want to really carry across the board before I make you listen to this here. If you are if you know about Lysel and you're the minister of Lysel because you know about Lysel, me understand that. If you are a minister of thieving goat and thieving cow, because you know how to thief cow and goat, I understand that. But me not understand how a minister for be a minister of health, which him not have no doctor and no medical experience. Just like a Bill Gates and say Bill Gates do all the trial up against people in India, Africa, kill half a much in people. We understand that. But this thing when me are gonna make on here now, you see, the Jamaica Prime Minister supposed to use somebody in the Minister of Health part who understand about health and understand about to is definitely have to be a doctor. Supposed to be a doctor. I believe in myself, a doctor supposed to be a doctor. Not supposed to be somebody where I guess or somebody where I get information from other people. Anyway, this more on the ear. Because I feel that the health minister was a man when he was a real doctor. He know everything about being a doctor. Me never know say, wanna listen to this. Wanna listen to this on yourself.
Citations for verification. Dr. Christopher Tufton is a Jamaican politician, a member of the governing Jamaica Labour Party, and Jamaica's current Minister of Health and Wellness. He previously served as the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce from July 2011 to December 2011, having previously served as the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries since 2007. 1. Tufton served as the Member of Parliament for Parliamentary Constituency St. Elizabeth South Western from 2007 up until his defeat in 2011. 2. 3. In 2016 Tufton won the St. Catherine West Central seat against the PNP's Clinton Clark and thus being returned to the lower house. He was the president of the Generation 2000 lecturer in the Department of Management Studies, UWI, Mona. In 2011 Tufton lost his seat to his PNP counterpart Hugh Buchanan. 4. He is a former talk show host and columnist. He holds a doctorate in Business Administration, DBA, from the Manchester Business School. Education Doctorate in Business Administration, DBA, from the Manchester Business School, Manchester, United Kingdom. Master's degree in Marketing, School of Business, Georgia State University. Atlanta, Georgia, USA. BSc Management Studies, Department of Management Studies, University of the West Indies, Kingston, Jamaica. WI Drive. Tufton is married to Nadine Shields Tufton with 3 children, Charles, Kimberly and Adam.
The thing about it, I not fight against being Dr. Tufton being who he is. But when me I fight against the doctor to be a man we call doctor. And in this time of crisis and people health is at risk and people life is at risk. The Jamaican Prime Minister should have even put somebody what have experienced what is a virus. What is a virus and how long it lasts and how where you can catch it from. Or this really not adds up. This not adds up. It not adds up. That means in this politics business where people are killing themselves over, anybody can be anybody. Anybody can have any post them feel like. And it don't supposed to be so. You have to be a minister of health if you think about people health. Fauci, then say Dr. Anthony Fauci. I do believe him supposed to be a doctor. For American people, I do believe he's supposed to be a doctor. But Dr. Christopher Thompson, I don't understand how this doctor come on. Why the doctor? Why did doctor come on and he even is not a real physician? No, this really complicated. This not right.